Galle Fort was initially built by the Portuguese in the 16th century and later conquered and fortified by the Dutch in the 17th century and then the British in the 18th century. It has an area of 52 hectares inside the walls, defended by 14 bastions, which is a great example of an urban ensemble illustrating the interactions of European architecture and South Asian traditions. Commercial Bank's history dates back to 1920, when its forerunner Eastern Bank was established in Sri Lanka. It was incorporated as Commercial Bank of Ceylon in 1969. The building, which houses the Galle Fort Branch of Commercial Bank of Ceylon, is one of the oldest buildings owned by the bank. It was built in the early part of the 19th century and was once a tourist hotel named Old Mansion. Mr. George Henry Bogger is listed in historical documents as the first owner of this property. Later, the Galle branch of Mercantile Bank of India was established in this building. In 1973, Commercial Bank acquired 3 branches of Mercantile Bank of India, including the Galle Fort Branch, thus coming into possession of this building, which is part of the Galle Heritage Site. From then on, this iconic architectural masterpiece has been a precious symbol for Commercial Bank and the banking culture developed around it. As the building was declared a national heritage by Archaeological Department of Sri Lanka, when the necessity arrived for renovation of the building, the bank had to ensure that they follow strict guidelines to ensure the building retains its originality. As an admirer of Sri Lankan heritage, Commercial Bank undertook to renovate the whole building whilst preserving its original glory. Adapting the same structure of dust and rust, the bank acquired expertise from professionals to recreate the exact architectural ambience, and it took over 12 months. The interior, including its furniture, are arranged in a way to welcome Commercial Bank customers to its classic roots of the unique banking culture. The bank invested over 140 million rupees for the project, and as a responsible corporate citizen of Sri Lanka, ensured that this national heritage site is protected and well preserved for the future generations to admire. Restoration also encompassed a green concept, including the installation of solar panels, use of specific green-rated material, a facility to harvest rainwater, and facilities to recycle waste food in meal rooms, and facilities to recycle unperished material in an environmentally friendly manner. The renovated building was made open to public recently, where they can now experience this architectural masterpiece.